Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome to our journey across Japan. A land where ancient traditions harmoniously blend with modern marvels. Today, we're exploring the 10 must-see spots in Japan for senior travelers. Whether you're a history buff, nature enthusiast, or simply seeking tranquility, Japan offers a treasure trove of experiences. So, let's embark on this captivating adventure together. Our first stop takes us to the enchanting city of Kanazawa. Nestled between the Sea of Japan and the Japanese Alps, Kanazawa is a city where time seems to stand still. Imagine strolling through narrow alleys lined with traditional tea houses in the samurai and geisha districts. The air is filled with the scent of history and culture. Don't miss the Kenroku-en Garden, often considered one of Japan's most beautiful gardens. It's a serene paradise where you can lose yourself among meticulously landscaped paths, tranquil ponds, and seasonal blooms. Next, let's venture south to Ishigaki, Japan's premier beach destination. While it may not boast ancient shrines, Ishigaki offers something equally mesmerizing: its vibrant night sky. The island is renowned for stargazing, and you might catch a glimpse of the Milky Way painting the heavens. By day, relax on pristine beaches or explore the vibrant coral reefs while snorkeling. Our journey continues to Hiroshima, a city that rose from the ashes to become a symbol of peace and resilience. The Peace Memorial Park stands as a poignant reminder of the past, while the nearby Miyajima Island offers a more serene experience. With its iconic floating torii gate, Miyajima feels like stepping into a mythological world where sacred deer roam freely, adding a touch of magic to your visit. From mythology to history, our next destination is Kamakura. Known for its coastal beauty and deep cultural roots, Kamakura was once the capital of Japan. Here, the great Buddha of Kamakura stands as a testament to the city's spiritual heritage. This colossal bronze statue, towering nearly 44 feet high, invites visitors to reflect on its serene presence amid lush greenery. For those seeking spiritual solace, Nikko is a haven of serenity. Nestled in the mountains, this city is home to the Toshogu Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The intricate carvings and vibrant colors of the shrine are a visual feast. Surrounding Nikko, the natural beauty is equally captivating. with mystical waterfalls and tranquil hot springs waiting to soothe the soul. Up next is the charming city of Takayama, a hidden gem in the northern Japanese Alps. Renowned for its Edo-period architecture, Takayama's well-preserved streets transport you back in time. The annual Takayama festival, with its ornate floats and traditional music, is a cultural spectacle not to be missed. A short journey from Tokyo brings us to Hakone, a destination known for its healing hot springs and breathtaking views of Mount Fuji. Picture yourself cruising on Lake Ashi aboard a pirate ship with the majestic Mount Fuji as your backdrop. It's an experience that captures the essence of Japan's natural beauty and whimsy. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without visiting Nara, the birthplace of Japanese civilization. Here, in Nara Park, you'll encounter friendly deer wandering amidst historic treasures like the Todaiji Temple. The temple houses a colossal great Buddha statue, a sight of awe-inspiring grandeur. Our penultimate stop is the timeless city of Kyoto, often hailed as Japan's cultural heart. With over 2,000 temples and shrines, Kyoto is a living museum of Japanese history. Wander through the historic Gion district, where you might catch a glimpse of geishas gracefully gliding through the streets. And if you're visiting in spring, don't miss the breathtaking cherry blossoms that transform Kyoto into a pastel wonderland. Finally, we arrive in Tokyo, Japan's bustling capital. A city where tradition meets innovation, Tokyo offers a dizzying array of experiences. From exploring ancient temples to marveling at cutting-edge technology, Tokyo is a metropolis of endless possibilities. And let's not forget the culinary delights. Tokyo's world-class restaurants promise a gastronomic adventure like no other. As we conclude this journey, it's clear that Japan is a land of unparalleled beauty and diversity. From the tranquil gardens of Kanazawa to the vibrant streets of Tokyo, every corner of Japan beckons with unique stories and unforgettable experiences. But as with any travel adventure, finding the right place to stay can be a challenge. Fear not, dear travelers. We've got you covered with a selection of affordable accommodations tailored just for you. Simply click the link in the description below to discover your perfect home away from home in Japan. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers. Until next time, sayonara.